If you like spicy shrimp or Kraydes Harr Maqli, you have to try this recipe, it's so good. I'm using jumbo shrimp, 12 to 15 count, deveined with tails on. To make the marinade, chop an onion and add to a mortar. Add some garlic cloves and roughly chop a Serrano pepper or two, depending on how spicy you like it. Season with salt, some Aleppo pepper, and some chili flakes. Using a pestle, crush into a paste-like consistency, then squeeze a lemon and drizzle some olive oil. Mix well to combine. Add the shrimp to a bowl and add the marinade on top. I'm going to season again with more salt, some hot paprika for more heat, more chili flakes, a bit of ground coriander, and squeeze some more lemon juice, and of course more drizzles of olive oil. Bruise and tear some fresh cilantro, mix well, and marinate in the fridge for an hour. In a pan over medium-high heat, add olive oil, and once hot, add the shrimp in one layer, cook for 3 minutes, then flip on the other side for another 3. Remove from the heat, add to your serving plate, garnish with torn cilantro and wedges of lemon. Do not forget those pan juices, they are so delicious. Nibble on 1 or 10 and enjoy.